Hi, brother.
Hello, how are you?
Yes, I'm doing great, brother. Thank you. What about you?
Yeah, I'm very well. And like online classes are going on, I'm busy all the day in that.
Oh, I see. That's good.
Yeah,
So, what kind of lecture you are attending in online?
yeah, that our regular classes. I am pursuing BTech in the first year. I
Okay.
am freshman. Yeah,
Oh, I see. That's good.
uh,
You're pursuing a BTech, like we can say engineer software, like electric. I mean,
yeah,
computer line. Okay,
yeah.
that's
That
good.
that one. Like yeah, to be precise, I am pursuing computer science engineering.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
that's great. Yeah, I can see like your background. I mean, you have a little bit knowledge about VFX, about computer related. That's
yeah,
great, man.
yeah. And how about you? Like I can see you are sitting or you are in the forest areas like that.
Yeah, brother, this is we can call forest area, and right now I'm in a mountain, and we can call this is rock place.
Rock.
Like sometime I come because this is like a piece of piece of place, brother. I love it. Here is silent place. No anyone come and go. It's like quiet place, brother. I love it.
Yeah.
Sometime I come evening time, brother. Seriously.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's great. Yeah.
yeah, brother.
Like we have also have to get some peace in our life because our life is so we have become hectic. We doesn't get time to relax or enjoy with ourselves. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
I
Right, right. So this is great, brother. So by the way, what about your English language, English journey?
Yeah, like I have started after my exams are over, my JEE exams are over. But like when my college started, like it's from February, my college started.
Yes.
But from that time, I didn't investing time for English practicing and all that.
Oh, I
I
see.
didn't get time to be precise. I want to be exact, or yeah, to be honest, I want to practice, but I didn't get time for that. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, that's so. How do you practice yourself about English language? How do you practice? Do you have any partner, any environment, atmosphere, any instrument, and about any like extra activity about online classes like related to English? So do you have?
So as we have the free resources like tons of bunch of free resources available on YouTube. I don't think so. It is so much we have to. It is required to take any paid course. Okay, so
Okay.
it's in our hand. But also there is no requirement for any other person. But if it is available to talk with
Yeah.
ourselves, that will be like cherry on the cake. Okay, so
Yes.
yeah, so like it's in our discipline, or it depends on in our guts how much we have guts in ourselves to improve or to like to expand our vocabulary and all that, our communication skills.
Okay. So, brother, I have a topic. Can we discuss about
Yeah, sure. I would like to.
like how to become a public speaker? How to become a public speaker? This, lots of people
Yeah.
think about like this is very tough job. So, what's
Hmm.
your opinion? How do we get? How do we reach become a public speaker? How do we improve more and more? Please share with me little bit idea.
Yeah, but I do not have much knowledge about public speaker, but I have seen many speakers, I have seen many videos about them and they're performing, and also have some bit of knowledge. So first of all, it you have to get passion of like doing something, like you have to work upon them all day and night. Like you have to first encourage yourself, like I can do it, and you have to believe in yourself. Yeah, first of all, the first step is that, and after that just practice communication skills in, like improve communication skills, and exercise your brain, like how will you perform when you are going in a stage, what will be your thinking ability and all that, how will you think when you are sitting, when someone is sitting in front of you, how will you deliver your speech and all that.
Yeah, right, right. So, brother, like, did you face become, did you face yet like about in front of a student? Like, did you get any stage? Did you,
Yeah,
give a like any speech in front of like? So, please share with me that moment. How was your experience?
yeah, like I have so many opportunities. I got so many opportunities to be in a stage or to be get some speech to deliver a speech, but I didn't taken in my life. So like in my school life, but when the college started, there is a first event like Prerna event. There are like 7 to 8 sub events. I have taken all of them. I have taken part
Okay.
in all of them. Yeah, and to some extent I have succeeded also, because in our my school life I didn't have taken. But one time I remember there is a, like in our morning assembly we have to deliver we have to give some positive quotes or
Yeah.
any teacher question and all that in the morning assembly. So first time I have given like there's a quote there, we have to give a positive quote. So I have
Okay.
I have like mugged up that quote in my mind before the day. And like
Okay.
I was feeling nervous, very nervous, like when someone watches you, like when
Mhm.
someone watches you, what are your body movements, you have to think
Yeah.
like you in our subconscious mind we have like what other people will think of us.
Yes.
So
Yes. Right.
that is a fear because we are not able to give our 100%, or what we know how we perform. Like in our home we can deliver very fluently, like effortlessly, but in case when we are going in a stage we stumble, we we
Yeah.
shiver like, it is like it I have seen the YouTube video, like it is okay, so everyone faces this kind of issues or this kind of problems in their life, but with the help of experience, with the help of practice, it can be overcome. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
brother.
let
That's
me
so
give you
right.
my experience of that time.
Uh-huh.
That one that I have given that positive quote that that morning, that in morning assembly. So like I just go gone in very fast to the stage and put in mic, and I didn't know what to tell, but in my mind I have something like what I have mugged up. I just started and okay, bye. Okay, thank you and coming. I don't like in the stage when we are standing in a stage where every people look like very tiny, very tiny. I'm also
Yes.
like how the people are looking so much tiny. Like I didn't have to think, just I started speaking and okay, thank you, good morning and all
Right.
that. Yeah.
See, brother, it's happened with me like when I was doing a study about my diploma course. So that moment, it's happened with me. Like my sir, he called me Samir, please come here and deliver your speech in front of student. So over
Yeah.
there, around 20 to 25 student in my front of. So I was just holding a like mic, and I was just telling about myself like, hey, my name is XYZ, and today I'm going to talk about this speech. So that moment what happened, I was blank, and that moment like I was talking about unrelated bit
Yeah.
about bus. I was not talking about main point. I was just talking about like another thing, like it's totally change the topic, we can say. So
Yeah.
I was get like a shake. My hand was like shaking, and I was
Yeah.
feeling too sweaty and nervous. Then that moment, like a whole audience, like in front of student, they were trying to laugh on me, brother, because I was just like shaking, and I was stuck myself, like I totally blank, and we can say it's horrible for me. Then that
Yeah.
moment I just said, sir, thank you very much, and immediately I ran over there. I ran over
Yeah.
there, seriously.
Yeah.
Then after what, like after take a seat, after take a bench, I was feeling, oh my god, I was sweating totally, and I was thinking like, oh my god, what happened with me, and why they try to laugh on me. So I
Yeah.
was feeling embarrassed, brother, that moment. See, this is a horrible situation.
Yeah, like if we
No?
stuck in a stage, if we have a mic and if we stuck, what you have to tell, we didn't know. So that
Yeah.
1 second goes like 1 hour. Like
Yes.
everybody says, watches us, and we do not have knowledge. Like we didn't know how to react.
Right, right. So, brother,
Yeah.
lots of people trying to become a public speaking. So, please
Yeah.
share with me like some tips. How do we reach over there? Like, basically, at least we have to clarify. At least we have to learn a basically. Then we can learn, or we can reach over there. So, what is a basically? Please talk about. Please tell me.
So basic, like we have to uh, just practice going in stage and just practice speaking on any topic, like to be
Uh-huh.
fluent, to be a good attitude, we have to work on our non-verbal communication like body language. And
Mhm.
yeah, there are many perspective. We have to take care of our rhythm. We have to take care of our pitch when we have to
Uh,
give silence and all that in our speech.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
So
so
we
there
say
are
like,
many factors.
yeah, we can say like first thing, talk to yourself more and more. Then after that, like, just watch a video and try to, learn a podcast. And if possible, then discuss any topic, I think. What do you
Yeah,
say?
right.
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
very important because we don't have any partner. Partner is very important. That's why, we can learn or become a public speaker. But if we
right.
don't have, so what we do? We should, like do something like basically knowledge, basically like instrument, basically regular. Like if you talk about daily practice, start to reading books, start like motivational book,
Start
and
get
concentrate
just
like
yeah.
and we can learn become a public speaker. But if you face a one and second time, definitely third and fourth time you will able to deliver your thought, your story, your content in front of student, front of people. So we can say
Yeah,
this is good way to learn, you know
right, right. Absolutely agree with your points.
yeah, even lots of people, brother, nowadays they try to learn English language. But if you talk about become a public speaking, so lots of people talk about this is tough for me because they haven't any environment atmosphere. That's why
Right.
reason we feel stuck. We get a lots
Yeah,
of problems. Even I'm
yeah.
also sometime I try to talk with in front of people like 5 to 6 people. That moment
Okay.
I feel too stuck. I feel too like I deliver my words. We can say like about break word. Always
Okay.
I feel too like
Yeah,
hesitation. I feel too nervous. I don't know what happened with me that moment, but right now I'm talking with you, so I
yeah,
can talk. I can able to talk with you like
yeah.
without hesitation, without fear. But if you
Yeah,
talk
but
about become a public speaker, that moment I feel too stuck. Yeah.
yeah, right. Same with me. When I have to give a speech on a stage, when so many people are front in front of us, so I also get nervous. I got stumble like how I think in my mind how I'm going to do. But it comes with practice. We have to just have courage in ourselves and go for it.
Yeah, brother, absolutely right. Like public speaker, we can say if we achieve over there, then definitely we will learn something. We will able to, we will realize like finally I achieve something.
Mm.
Become a public
Yeah, right,
speaker.
right.
I saw in a YouTube channel over there, brother, lots of good speaker. We can say Praveen
Mm.
Wadwelkam, if you heard about, he's a fantastic motivational speaker, brother. And maybe like you heard about Sandeep Maheshwari, I think. He is
Yeah, yeah,
also
great. Yeah,
YouTuber. So
yeah.
we can say, if we watch, if you try to listen more and more, then automatically we will get an idea little bit. So at
Right,
least
right.
more and more. Yeah.
Yeah. How to react, how to think for that topic, how to
Yes.
deliver in an effective manner. This all factors and many more factors we could learn subconsciously, and we can implement in our time when the time has came. Yeah,
Yeah.
and it comes from practice. Like practice is the key for anything. Like practice is the key, and without practice, no one is cannot think so. Will be better in that domain.
Yeah, brother, absolutely right. So anyway, brother, like it was amazing conversation,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
serious. I'm happy with you. Like finally, we talk about one particular topic, and it was a good conversation. And thank you
yeah,
very much, brother, for connecting with me. Share with me your idea, your your story. It was amazing. Okay.
yeah, yeah. Thank you, Samir.